Another weekend, another food trip. Come on mga ka-travel buddies, join us! Sarap talagang kumain kapag ganitong weekend, tapos maulan. So, ayan. Gora, outside na naman kami ni Daddy. Going on a food trip. Nakasimangot yarn. So, yan. Since maulan, since start ng September, walang masyadong traffic kasi wala rin pasok yung mga bata. Sarap mag-drive somehow. Kaya, ito, more drive lang. Ayan, so while driving, chismisan with a very gorgeous and handsome hubby. And serious, laughing while on our way to our destination. So for today, dito tayo sa Lola Indang's. They're famous for their pancit and many other food. Ito yung kanilang restaurant. So, if you'll notice, nakikisabay din sila dun sa Tiffany Green theme. So, ayan, yung kanilang pancit and sinigang meron sila. We'll give it a try. So, syempre, yan yung aking forever date. Grabe, diba? Kain yun. Napapailing ba? Shy daw siya. So, yun, niliitan niya yung subo niya. Tapos, ayan, so turn ko naman. So, syempre, magpapaganda habang kumain. Charot! Ayan, susubo. Yan, masubo pa. Takaw yarn. Tapos yan, ang judgment is thumbs up! Ayan, so mukhang busog na. Bye-bye muna. Ayan, going home na. Nagbabaking yarn. Nakatitig ako dun sa aming smart Android to guide me where to park. And finally, we are settled. Happy na ako. Ayan, so meron muna kaming smoochie time. What do you think, Dad? Yan. Pag-inggit, pikit. That's it, mga ka-travel buddies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!